Shawn Storm a artist, bro. Shawn Storm a star. When you talk about, them want to look like star, and Shawn Storm to get a house too. And we not talk about house where somebody just gave for living. Shawn Storm to get a house with him name on the title, free for tech. So whether him and Kartel mash up or him and Kartel stay friends forever, it no matter theme house that can't give him an X0 bridges. It's crazy. Everybody that talk about it are afraid to talk like. We have to just be honest. First thing, Kartel not to buy that. Kartel can tell somebody say, yo, I want the X6 for Shawn Storm, you know, and I fastest that ready. And what I'm telling you, the man if you have an X5 or an X6 or an X7.
Up that answer people, you don't know there again. And we have a interesting one for sure now. Foota I make we know say VYBZ KARTEL this Shawn Storm by purchasing an old BMW for make Shawn Storm go and drive. Foota say VYBZ KARTEL will treat Shawn Storm better than that because of Shawn Storm loyalty. For Shawn Storm stick by him over 12 years, never rat him out and hold him loyalty, him fear get a better treatment than that. Foota people say to Shawn Storm and VYBZ KARTEL and move, you look like them not really good, but them just a paint an image for the media. Enough things Foota say another one here people. Now I really emphasize much and hold up in the time. We just want to give you a like, share and subscribe. That if you're not subscribers yet, but run through Foota video now.
Me no want nobody I come attack me but what me say about Shawn Storm and the car. What me say me mean it. And me not take back what me did say. That car there, we have to big up say Shawn Storm get a car. Gene? But that car there, brother, no make no sense. You're too big for that car there, you're too tall for that car there. That brother, better the man. Alright. If that car there 2024 or 2023, better let me take a 2020 car then. Take a 2020 X5 then, or a 2019 X5, or a X6 or something, man. Dog, Shawn Storm a artist, bro. Shawn Storm a star. When you talk about, them want to look like star, Shawn Storm to get a house too. And we not talk about house where somebody just gave for living. Shawn Storm to get a house with him name on the title, free for tech. So whether him and Kartel mash up or him and Kartel stay friends forever, it no matter theme house that can't give him an X0 bridges. It's crazy. Everybody that talk about it are afraid to talk like. We have to just be honest. First thing, Kartel not to buy that. Kartel can tell somebody say, yo, I want the X6 for Shawn Storm, you know, and I fastest that ready. And what I'm telling you, the man if you have an X5 or an X6 or an X7, because big man think me here saying a Kartel buy the Bima. Me say a Joe buy it. Up at a Bima place beside AC Hotel. Me just a tell no people. Me just a talk the truth. If Kartel want to hate me, I feel business. But the truth are the truth. And me not like how him a move with Shawn Storm like that. Personally, me no feel say Shawn Storm and Kartel good. I feel like them a put the best outside. But them, it no look like them good. Me, to how him a move with Shawn Storm, me notice him fly out go much island. Shawn not go nowhere with him. And Shawn have passport too. Why the big liquor launch at Trinidad, me not see Shawn. Me see the girl with them claim say a Shawn girl up there with him. And him a take the picture with hand pan leg and hand pan body jaw and them something. And then come back now. Give Shawn this a little rascal Walmart trolley. I can't carry that. Shawn a artist. Shawn a star. I give the man a little carry that. Who Shawn can carry another? Me a watch it thing. Me not think Kartel rate Shawn Storm. And me not think Shawn Storm fully rate him neither to him a deal with him. But Shawn just can't do better. And I will it. You mad, you think Kartel know say that the car didn't look right for Shawn Storm. Him know. Him know that. Everybody that think about it and everybody have blame me and me DM full. You buy 4 brand new cars since you come. And about 4 hours. Make the man thing look good, man. Bumbuckler. I want to tell you. 12 and a half years what a pain and suffering. And if Shawn, remember say, if Shawn never loyal and say him want to turn whistling bird, a problem. And based on the circumstances how we go on, me surprised that Shawn still they are not say cartel. So you have to deal with the man better, dog. Because even when them are excited of Shawn Storm gonna lean up on the wall like Shawn Storm, I said, blood clear, what this man, what is the man by me? But Shawn not talk, Lord. All of me and Shawn know as him give me the key, I drive it, go down a Constant Spring Road, down a PJ Motors, down a Powell, and just go over there and say, Powell, me not like this. Give me something. It no matter if Shawn Storm can buy him own car or not. VYBZ Kartel or Shawn Storm for life. We are talking about. And this me not like with Uno. So what if Shawn can buy him own car? Cartel response, we take care of Shawn. When you have loyal friend like them there, you have to take care of them on a real level. Me not care if Shawn have money can buy him own car. Fuck you ask me that, but if him have own money can buy a car. We not business. Cartel make $1 million show US. What you talk about? Fuck you mean? Come ask people fuck you. I want to know. Go from us, man. So you know so have dirty heart too and bad mind. You know. You think of the man with the most money heart clean. Sometimes the man with the less money heart cleaner than the man with the more money. Where the fuck you can ask me? So what? Shawn Storm mother eye blind all long. When you get money from him, now I fix him mother eye. I take care of him mother. I want to Shawn Storm to get house, Shawn Storm to get car, Shawn Storm to get money if it's spent. Every deal we cartel a cut, Shawn Storm to get a percentage out of that. Shawn Storm not supposed to work hard or hustle around the place or try fight to make the money. You're mad. I want to every deal where cartel a cut, Shawn Storm to get a percentage. Uno go look on the story about Derrick Rose, the basketballer. When he must sign the lifetime deal with Adidas, the man said him brother have to get how much million because him brother and moral support and him best friend have to get $250,000 a year for the rest of his life. A them thing that you call real loyalty. Shawn Storm get no recording deal like that and no show like that. No. So Kartel have to make sure the man good. And not for being a begging thing. I come and beg you or I come link you when I broke you. Mad? Okay, man, him already say again. Me forget I cut out of everything. If a nickel bag sell post the world, me forget out of that. If a dime bag sell post the world, me forget out of that. No joke. I want to you feel like 12 year, 13 year blood clot prison easy. And based on the circumstances. Because me I tell you the truth. Listen. Me I tell you the truth. If a Shawn Storm, and me did hear the circumstances of the case while me in a court, because some man don't remember it, me would have started sing like a nightingale bird. Would have whistle more than one referee in a football match. Me I tell you that. Me I tell you the God truth. Me a bad boy, me a thugs, me not believe in a informing, me an informer. But you see the way that case that did play out, and how it reached Shawn, me could hold it. Me could hold it, me da sing, me da make up and tell lie. If me a did Shawn and me hear when me hear in another courthouse there, me never have business about loyalty. My loyalty da gone a rubbish pan. Me da turn a nightingale. Told me a sing, me da turn a nightingale. Me da sing every Christmas carol, every lullaby, everything. Me sing right through. A 10 album would have sing in a courthouse. Chaddy, go suck your mama. But leg of the boss name. I want to hear. Come off of my life. But leg of boss name. The truth of it talk. I could have anybody the truth of it talk. Shawn forget deal with better. Bumbuckler there but come off a boss name. I want to hear. Kartel and my youth. Kartel and my boss. Me help bus Kartel and send him a road. Kartel and my boss. Fuck you come over here come talk about leg of boss name. That's how they move like some batty man. When they move like one of that suckled, you know. Some on the boy. Bumbuckler, you know. We don't like the car where Shawn get and we are talk about it. Care about that bumbuckler. Return to sender. Better car for Shawn. And Shawn forget a house too. Bumbuckler, you know. Me and Shawn Storm and a friend. Me never talk to Shawn Storm in my life yet.
That was sport for you there now. Don't know the report them. We see them, we like them. We put them up. Fully like them. If you're more than liking and subscribe yet, give it a subscribe. Hit the notification bell too. For now miss an update. This is Real Yutes TV. We're out.